It sounds like Halloween with 4 spooky sounds. An interactive spooky adventure. It's Halloween night and it's time to trick or treat. But do you hear those noises coming home from the street? Could that be a werewolf howling in the dark? No, it's just a puppy practicing his bark. Could there be a vampire hiding behind that creaky door? No, it's a family giving candy to kids who ask for more. Is that a ghost out haunting, all invisible and slow? No, it's the wind whooshing past where the jack-o'-lanterns glow. Where's that music coming from? Are there monsters on the way? No, it's a dance party. These guys and girls know how to sway. Don't shrink away from distant howls or wind that can be seen. Spooky sounds help us celebrate and say, Happy Halloween!